What's going on, minions? My name is Tim Lee. I'm going to keep this brief or else my intro is going to be longer than the video itself. Some quick bloopers for you from episode... Dog's playing with a chew toy. Here's a quick couple bloopers from the Myst VR games that we were playing. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit that like button so we know to make more.
Obviously, there's a ship that used to be a ship where the ship is the ship. Obviously, I flipped this switchy doohickey thingy in our 4-chamber bedside. No. So obviously, I need to solve this puzzle first. This is really cool. I love games like this. Okay, obviously, like a puzzle pattern that we're probably going to solve next. There's obviously a pattern. Look at that. This is so cool. I love games like this. Yeah! Sheesh. Oh! So, obviously now I'm where I'm supposed to be. This is obviously a power grid. Obviously a key. This is obviously not doing anything. I love this kind of stuff. Nothing on that yet, obviously. So, obviously there's... Okay. So... Okay, obviously a power plant. Now, obviously, if I do this, okay, obviously that one's a bad one. The rain was not harmful, yet they obviously still feared it. Oop, shoot. Okay. I am obviously too high. Let me see if I can adjust the floor. There we go. So hopefully I can reach the floor now. Ah! Okay. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. Oh my. Okay.
Hope that you enjoyed that. Remember to keep it crispy. First Tim 412. We'll see you next time right here on Legacy Studio. And also, if you want more videos like this early, make sure you join our early access group. All you got to do is hit that join button on our channel. You'll get all the information you need right there. We'll see you next time. Bye.